such as ribbing or anything that combines knits and purls on the same row, when you bind off, you are most usually told to bind off in pattern, which means simply that whatever stitch you see, in this case I'm going to do a knit stitch, and then I have another knit stitch. You do those stitches in the pattern that you had and then bind them off. So here's a purl. I have to bring my yarn to the front, do my purl stitch, then I'm binding it off the same way as you would bind off knit and purl. Here's another purl stitch. So when you're told to bind off in pattern, you look at the stitch, see what you're supposed to do, knit or purl the stitch as you see it, and then pull the back stitch over the front stitch to bind it off. This is very important when it comes to necks, ribbing on necks of sweaters, because if you bind off too tightly, then the sweater won't go over your head. So you have to bind off loosely and in the pattern so that you retain the stretch and feel of this particular ribbing or the particular pattern that you're supposed to be binding off in. So here's how you bind off in pattern. Just read the stitches, bind off as you would normally.